Hello, we are Mayalen
and Nayara.
and we are students from Mendizabala. We are part of Plant&Paint project and today we are going to show you how to do a lip balm.
The products we're going to be using to do this lip balm are sweet almond oil, bee wax, cocoa butter, sea butter, alcana tinctoria pigment, and sandalwood pigment. In the other hand, the materials we're going to be using are a pot, a spatula, a weight balance, some measuring spoons, a glass measuring cup, and a small container to put our product in. For our first step, we will fill the pot with water and we will take it to boil. Meanwhile, we will start preparing the mixture of the ingredients in the glass measuring cup. First, we're gonna put 25 grams of sea butter. After that, we're gonna add 10 grams of cocoa butter. Then, we put 10 milliliters of sweet almond oil. And finally, we put 5 grams of bee wax. We have to take our mixture to the vein marine. We have to move the ingredients slowly till everything is completely mixed. Once our mixture is a little bit colder, we're gonna add the alcana tinctoria pigment and the sandalwood pigment. Finally, we're gonna add the lemon essence. Now we let it cool.
Okay, this is the final product, and now the swatch.
Okay, this is the final product. You can use this on the lips. It's going to irritate and apport you a little bit of pigment.
And this is the finale. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.